What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to RVPOV. Today we're going to be looking at a point of view of why does it mean to flip your axles, right? And why do people do it? What does that even mean? Well, basically what it means is that you're going to be taking your leaf springs on the bottom of your axle and flipping it on the top, and I'll explain that in just a second. But why do people do it? People will end up flipping their axles because they want to sit a bit higher off the ground. If you're going to be doing a lot of off-road camping or just going out into here in Canada, we call it crown land, but boondocking somewhere else where the ground is a little bit uneven and you want a bit more clearance off of the ground, you'd want to flip your axles. And today I'm going to show you exactly what that means. So come on, let's take a look. All right, so let's get underneath this trailer. So right here, this is what it means to flip your axles. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking your leaf springs here and putting it on top of your axle on this side. So this will end up raising it about 4 inches there. And yeah, you'll be sitting off the ground a little bit more. And I'll show you in just a second what it looks like to have your axles flipped over your or have your leaf springs flipped over your axles. All right, now looking at this trailer down here, as you can see, you have your axles or your leaf springs that sit on top of the axle. So what does that mean exactly? Let me get in closer here. Okay, so what you're doing is you're taking your leaf springs and you're putting it on top of your axles here. This gives you about 4 inches of height, and it is better for the underbody of your trailer, especially if you have tanks exposed like this, or even extra some wires exposed like so. All right, so here you go. So all this will be sitting a lot lower to the ground if your leaf springs were sitting below your axle. So as you can see, by flipping up your axles or even taking your leaf springs and putting it on top of your axles, flipping axles, what it means is that you're getting about 4 inches of clearance from your fender. This does get your trailer higher off the ground, so this way you don't have to worry about the elements in the road hooking on or latching on to the end of the bottom of your trailer, or even ripping anything off on the bottom, right? So as you can see, there's a difference between this and this. So there you go. See how much more clearance you're getting? Right over there. Until next time, fam. Take care. Peace.